Hey everybody, it's Sassy with Seasons with Sassy. Today I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I am going to film me doing the projects. I don't know how you guys like to see it. I'm just going to give it a try. This is my craft room. Sorry, it's kind of a little bit, well, it's a craft room, right? All right, so today's project is day 5 in the 5 DIY dollar days of Halloween. And yes, I know that is a long title. Sorry about that. I will try and maybe shorten that a little in the future. So today we're going to be using these 2 champagne glasses. And we're just going to be decorating these up really nice. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint that with this Rust-Oleum chalk. And I have been using this a lot lately. It's because it's black. It's Halloween. It's going to be perfect. And then after that, I will show you the end result and we'll add some flair to these champagne glasses. So I will show you what those look like when I'm done. All right, you guys. So I just spray painted these glasses and they already look amazing. Just the lovely chalk black color. I love that it's chalk because it gives it that kind of frosty look instead of glossy look. I think the frosty look just looks a little bit more spooky for Halloween. And I used my embossing heat tool and it makes it dry things so much faster. And I just love that because I'm all about saving time. So I did use that. The next thing that we're going to want to do is obviously decorate them. There's a few things that I have that I just thought maybe I could decorate these with. And there's these butterflies that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also have these jewel dots and some regular, there's some red and here's some just regular diamond dots. I also have that same ribbon that I used for that book yesterday, just because I was thinking these look kind of, I don't know why. I think they look either kind of witchy or, like Dracula. That's what I think of when I see those. And you can get as fancy as you want with these, or you can maybe just go a little bit more kind of fun style, add some of these Halloween straws. These were 98 cents from Walmart. I also have these witches hats and I took one off just because I wanted to see kind of what it would look like if we maybe like glued it to the top of this. I feel like if I did something like this, it would not be as like fancy. It would be more kind of a kiddish, kind of like a kid themed Halloween, which I'm not exactly sure. I don't think I want to do that for this project. I think I kind of want it to be a little bit more witchy themed. So I'm gonna decide what I want to put on these and then I will show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the first thing that I decided to do was use these diamond stickers. And I think what I'm gonna do, because these glasses, they have a line just like the farmhouse tea votives that we did the rub-on. They have a line on the sides and I kind of want to cover those up. So I think I'm going to do a spider web shape in these diamonds on that line so you can't see it. And then I'll work out from there using the rest of the dots to make a spider's web. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so there's the basic design. Now I'm going to go in and fill in these back pieces. Okay, so I went to put in the gems on the outside of this and it just ended up being too much. It just looked too crowded. I just think I like it better just with the lines across. And then I just went in and I glued the butterfly on and now I'm going to decide what I want to do next. All right, friends, I messed and I messed and I messed with these and I just found that I liked, the simpler I went, the better I liked it. And sometimes that's just how it goes. So for this, I just did kind of like a V-shaped design. And it's just on the front. I didn't do it on the back. I just like how this look and this is gonna face out. And same with this one. And I used that green ribbon that I used on the books that I wrapped yesterday. And I had some of this pipe cleaner. I can't recall it. I think it's whatever. Anyways, I wrapped it around some of the straws, some of these straws, and then I wrapped the ribbon on the inside of the curl, and then I just bent it in half and stuck it in here so it kind of looks like a witch's cauldron a little bit. So there is that one. I didn't have quite enough pipe cleaners to do it for this one, but I'm not mad at it because it gives it a little bit of a different look. And I like that the butterflies are not even, because again, that just gives it a little bit more dimension. So this is what I ended up with. I didn't do a whole lot with it besides spray paint the glasses and then put on some jewels and the butterflies and then the ribbon, and that was it. It was so easy, and I think it's gonna look really cute. Again, this is probably gonna go on my fireplace. I might have to move some stuff around. But yeah, you can get creative with this. You can do your own design. You can use different colors if you want, and it's pretty easy. But that's the end of our 5 DIY dollar days of Halloween. I think that I will be doing a dollar store haul tomorrow. And then I've got a special video that I'm going to be doing probably tomorrow too. We'll see. We'll see if I have time to do it, but it's a special one because it involves my oldest daughter. She doesn't want her face to be seen, so her face will not be seen in that, but she has a huge part in what we're going to do for this video. So like and subscribe so you can see that video, so you can see the dollar store haul tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching.